Everyone, welcome to Towhid Academy. Today we are going to solve the math you can see, and now let's start by A. So solution A, you can see equation in the same, and we have to find the value of x minus 1x from this equation. So let's do find the value of x minus 1x. At first we have to find the value of x plus 1x. So let's start. We have to pick the equation from the stem, and now, or let's give a right given. Okay, now let's start. X squared plus 1 is equal to, we have to move this minus 5x to the right side. So if we move this from this to the right side, then minus will be converted to plus. Then we get this. So now we're going to divide 5x and this by x. So it will be better if we give a side note that divided by x. By x. Now, or x plus 1x is equal to 5. So now we got the value of x plus 1x. Now let's move to x minus 1x. So everyone know the value of x minus 1x. So we know. At first, let's find the value of x minus 1x whole square. It will be easy for us. X whole square is equal to x plus 1x whole square minus 4x 1x. A plus b whole square minus 4ab equal to, we have to put the value over here, 5 whole square minus 4. We can cut this because of the multiplication sign in. So it's equal to 25 minus 4. The answer finally goes to 21. Let's turn the page over and write it over here. 21. So now we have to find the value of x minus 1x, which is required in the question. So x minus 1x. For this, we're going to put a root over on the value. So the final answer will be root over 21. So that's the answer. Thank you. And now let's move to B. Find the value of x4 minus 1x4. X to the power 4 minus 1 x to the power 4. Okay, so we have already find the value of x minus 1x, so it will be easy for us to find the value of that. So we will write from A, we get x minus 1x is equal to root over, oh I'm sorry, we have to write x plus 1x first. Now root over is 5. So now we're moving now x squared plus 1x squared. Let's find out. X plus, let's put a square on it first. Whole square is equal to 5 whole square. It would be better if we write putting by squaring. By squaring as a side note. Squaring. Now let's start the final. Oh, I'm sorry, we don't have to give the bracket over here. X squared is equal to plus 2x, as we know the formula, is equal to 5 squared or 25, whatever you say. Or x squared plus 1x squared is equal to 25. Now we can cut it, and plus will be converted to minus if we take it to the other side. Or x squared plus 1x squared is equal to 23. So now the required, the thing we have to find is x to the power 4 minus 1x to the power 4. So let's move on. Now we have to do is convert this to minus, so let's get started. Now the thing we have to do, it will be a bit harder. Now x4 minus 1 x4 equals to x square whole square minus 1 x square whole square. So yeah, it's going easily. It's going easy, fine. We have to put the value over here, 23. And now we already got the value. Did we? No, actually we didn't. So it's required to find the value of it. It's easy, by the way. X minus 1 x and x plus 1 x. So we did got the value of it, and we also got it. So 23. Let me show. X minus 1x is equal to root over 21, and this one, here we go, is equal to 5. We have already found this out. So 21, 5. And now let's come down, and now it's the time to calculate. We can use a calculator because you are in JSC this year and calculators are permitted. So this is the answer. This is the final answer. And now let's move to solution C. Solution C. Okay, let's carry on. Solution C. Prove that x to the power 4 is equal to 527 or 527 minus 1 x to the power 4. Okay, pretty much hard. Fine, let's get started. So the thing we need to do is from B we have to write the value of this in this math. X squared plus 1 x squared is equal to 23, or now let's move on to the final math. X squared plus 1 x squared, we need to put a whole square on both sides to make it more easier. So we may have to write, it would be better if we write again by squaring. So here we go. And now x squared plus 2x squared, as the formula is, plus 1 x squared whole square is equal to the whole square of it, 529, or x4 plus 2, we need to cut it, plus 1 x4 is equal to 529. As it's plus, when we take it to the other side, it will be minus. So x4 plus 1 x4, and now it's coming to be n 529 minus 2, or x4 plus 1 x4 is equal to 527, right? Now we will, as we have to find out the value of x squared is equal to this. So now we're going to take this portion to the other side, or if you take this portion to the other side, it must be minus because sign will be changed. So equal to 527 minus 1 x4. So finally we got our answer, final answer. So now we have to write proved. Again, let's write equal to 527 minus 1 x4 proved. And now finally it's the end. Hope you guys got it, and thank you for continuing with us till the last of the video.